What's going on, boys and girls? I hadn't done a cooking video in a little while, and I decided I was going to do some fish today after work. So I'm going to be cooking some salmon that we bought down at the beach a couple of weeks ago. It's a real easy recipe, just kind of follow it along. You can cook salmon the way that you like to cook it, but I've cooked it this way several times and it always comes out good. All right, this is what we're going to start off with. Of course, we got a little salmon steak here, and you know these steaks are pretty big, so really one of them will feed me and my wife. We're going to start off using some balsamic vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar, some Grey Poupon Dijon mustard, or regular mustard. You can use some lemon juice, some extra virgin olive oil, some lemon pepper, some dill weed, and some paprika. Alrighty, what I did is I dissected that center bone out of there just because it would get in the way. So we're going to take that and move it out of the way. So we've got two little slabs right there. Alright, next what we're going to do is kind of make our marinade. We'll put our paprika in here first. We're just going to put a few little sprigs in there. That's probably about a fourth of a teaspoonful. I want to do about, I didn't know that wasn't open. I want to do about a tablespoon of dill weed. I like dill weed. You're going to do a little bit of lemon pepper. And just going to do a few sprinkles of lemon pepper there. You can always add more. We're going to do some extra virgin olive oil, and you want about 4 tablespoons. Okay, if we can keep stuff in our hand, you don't want to overdo it with the lemon juice. So again, you only want about a tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a fourth of lemon juice. We don't want to overpower it. And we're going to do about another tablespoon of our vinegar here. So again, we don't want to overpower it. And then we're going to do a tablespoon of the Grey Poupon, but we're going to have to wipe our spoon off first. Okay, after we wipe our spoon off, we're going to do about a tablespoon of the Grey Poupon. That's actually a heaping tablespoon of Grey Poupon. And then we're going to mix everything up. Now I could have done the wet ingredients first, and then added the dry, but it's all going to get mixed. Okay, and then what we'll do once this is mixed to a nice consistency, we will spread this over our fish. Make sure you have your oven preheated up to about 400 degrees. Okay. Alright, we're going to take a little bit of Pam here, spray our pan, and we're going to add our fish to it here. And you can use a glass dish if you wanted to. And again, just take your little marinade or your topping here and just spread it all over your fish. You want to use all of it. Spread it on both sides, all around it. Some of it will burn off in the oven, but the flavor of this will be really, really good. So you have to try it. It's real good. You can put a light foil on top of this, or you can cook it without putting foil on it. We're going to try out without the foil for about 20 to 25 minutes or so. Alright, now we're just going to add this to the oven. Alright, our oven's at 400 degrees. We're going to put our fish directly in there. And we're going to set the timer for about 20 minutes. Alrighty, it's been about 20 minutes there, and again, some of the spices, they kind of they kind of get charred on the outside. But this fish is done here. Timer is telling me to hurry up and cook it. I mean, hurry up and eat it. So now that's how easy it is to do some salmon. Again, you could have done this, sauteed it in a frying pan, or you could have baked it a different way, but this is just the way I do it, and it always comes out good. And just serve it with a little bit of green vegetables if you like green vegetables, or you can have you some potatoes. It's just a little variety of French beans, broccoli, and carrots. It comes out real good. Thanks, guys. You got to try it.